In this video, we will see l'impératif présent and more precisely, l'impératif présent when it is used to express an order. Impératif présent used to express an order. This is the normal image that we have of l'impératif présent, to give an order. And so we'll see a few examples to illustrate that. Écoute-moi. 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 So in that situation, the verb is écouter, regular verb from the first group. So you have the form écoute. Remember, the particularity of the imperative présent is that you won't have les pronoms personnels. So you have only the verb, écoute-moi. If you don't know how to make or how to build this imperative présent, I definitely advise you to have a look at my video. It's quite precise, and after that you will be able to make all the imperative présent you want. Fais tes devoirs. Fais tes devoirs. In that situation, it's the verb faire. Fais tes devoirs. Hein? Same thing here, it's the imperative, so we don't have any pronom personnel. Écoute-moi, fais tes devoirs. And in these two cases, as you can see, we're talking about orders. Demande à ta mère. Demande à ta mère. The verb is demander, regular verb from the first group. Demande à ta mère. In these cases, don't forget to put this sign in the end, le point d'exclamation, exclamation mark, because clearly it's an order. Demande à ta mère. Prends ton livre qui est sur la table. Prends ton livre qui est sur la table. The verb is prendre, in that case, and it is obviously the imperative présent form. Prends ton livre qui est sur la table. Demande à ta mère, prends ton livre qui est sur la table. So remember that imperative présent will be used quite often to express an order.